Swimming lesson.
Welcome to the pool. Are you here for your first class?
Yes, I am. I can swim a little, but I am not confident.
That is completely fine. This class is slow and safe.
Good. I feel nervous when the water's deep.
That's completely normal. Today, we will stay in the shallow end.
That helps. What should I do first?
Please stand near the pool steps and hold the rail.
I am trying to relax my shoulders.
Good. Now, put your face close to the water and blow bubbles.
Like this?
Yes, small bubbles are perfect.
I usually hold my breath too long.
Many beginners do that. Breathe in above the water, then breathe out in the water.
I understand. In above, out below.
Exactly. Now, hold the side and kick your legs gently.
Should I kick fast?
No, small steady kicks are better.
I can feel myself moving a little.
Very good. Keep your body straight.
My feet are making a lot of water splash.
Try softer kicks. You do not need to fight the water.
That feels easier.
Great. Next, we will practice floating on your back for 5 seconds.
5 seconds sounds possible.
I will stand beside you so you are safe.
Okay, I am ready to try.
Bend your knees, lean back slowly, and look at the ceiling.
I am floating.
Yes, you are. Keep breathing.
I did it. That was better than I expected.
Excellent work. You made a good first step today.
Thank you. I feel proud and less afraid now.
Keep practicing, and swimming will become easier.
Office lunch chat.
Tom, this table is free. Let us sit here before it gets crowded.
Good idea. The cafeteria is busier than usual today.
Maybe because it is Friday. Everyone wants a longer lunch.
True. What did you bring?
I brought pasta, a green salad, and a red apple.
That looks nice. I bought a chicken sandwich from downstairs.
Is the sandwich good there?
Yes, and it is quick. I did not have time to cook last night.
I know that feeling. This week was full of meetings.
Which part was not clear?
The new report format. I'm not sure where to put the weekly numbers.
I can show you after lunch. I used it yesterday.
Thanks. That would save me time.
No problem. You helped me with the printer last week.
We all need help sometimes.
Exactly. How is your project going?
It is going well, but the deadline is close.
When is it due?
Next Thursday morning.
Then you still have a few days.
Yes, but I want to finish it early.
That is smart. I always feel better when I finish before the last day.
Same here. Are you busy this afternoon?
I need to answer emails and call one supplier.
I need to check prices and send my report.
So, a normal busy afternoon.
Exactly. At least lunch gives us a small break.
Do you want tea after we eat?
Yes, tea sounds good. I do not want more coffee today.
I will get coffee for myself and tea for you.
Thanks, but let us eat first. Your sandwich is getting cold.
You are right. Enjoy your lunch.
You too.
Museum ticket desk.
Hello, I would like one ticket for the museum, please.
Certainly. Do you want a regular ticket or a ticket with the audio guide?
What is the audio guide?
It is a small device. It tells you short stories about the rooms and objects.
That sounds useful. Is it easy for beginners in English?
Yes. The language is simple and clear.
Great. I will take the ticket with the audio guide.
Good choice. The main exhibition is on the second floor.
What is the main exhibition about?
It is about city life 100 years ago.
I like that. Are there old photos?
Yes, there are old photos, kitchen tools, clothes, and street signs.
Nice. How long do people usually stay?
Most visitors stay about 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Can I take pictures inside?
Pictures without flash are allowed in most rooms.
So flash is not allowed?
Correct. Flash can damage old objects.
I understand. I will turn it off.
Thank you. Also, please do not touch the glass cases.
Of course. Is there a map?
Yes, here is a paper map.
Thank you. Where should I start?
Start with room 1 on your left, then follow the blue arrows.
Blue arrows. Got it.
The museum cafe is near the exit if you want a drink later.
Good to know. How much is everything?
The ticket is $12 and the audio guide is $3.
Here is my card.
Please tap it here.
Done.
Here are your ticket, map, and audio guide.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy the museum.
Preparing for a math test.
Tom, I saved this table for us. It is quiet here.
Thanks. I need a quiet place today. The math test is tomorrow.
I know. I brought my notebook and extra pencils.
I brought the practice sheet from class.
Good. Which part do you want to review first?
Fractions. I still make mistakes with them.
Okay, let us start with an easy one.
1/2 plus 1/4.
First, make the bottom numbers the same.
So 1/2 becomes 2/4.
Right? Then 2/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4.
That is clear when we go step by step.
Math is less scary when the steps are small.
Let us try one. A bag has 10 oranges. Emma buys 3. How many are left?
That is subtraction. 10 minus 3 is 7.
Correct. Easy one.
Now make it a little harder.
A train leaves at 9 and arrives at 11:30. How long is the trip?
2 hours and 30 minutes.
Yes, you are good at time problems.
Maybe when you read slowly, they are easier.
That is a good tip. I sometimes rush.
Me too. In the test, we should read each question twice.
And underline important numbers.
Yes. Also, write units like hours, dollars, or meters.
The teacher said answers without units can lose points.
Exactly. Do you want to do 10 more questions?
Yes, but after a short water break.
5 minutes, then we continue.
Deal. I feel more ready now.
Me too. We can do this.
Renting a car.
Welcome to City Car Rental. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked a compact car online.
May I have your name, please?
Tom Miller.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation for 3 days.
That is right. I will return the car on a Monday morning.
Perfect. May I see your driver's license and credit card?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Will you be the only driver?
Yes, only me.
Good. The car is automatic and has a full tank of gas.
Do I need to return it with a full tank?
Yes, please. If not, there is an extra fuel charge.
I understand. I will fill it before I come back.
Would you like basic insurance or full insurance?
What does full insurance cover?
It gives more protection if the car gets damaged.
I will take full insurance. I want to feel safe.
That is a good choice, especially in a new city. The car is parked in space number 18.
Is it far from here?
No, just outside the glass doors.
Should we check the car together?
Yes, we will check the body, mirrors, lights, and tires.
I see a small scratch near the back door.
Thank you. I will mark it on the form.
Good. I do not want a problem when I return it.
Of course. Everything is clear now.
Can I return the keys before you open?
Yes, use the key box near the entrance.
Perfect. Thank you for explaining everything.
You are welcome. Drive carefully.
Clothes store. Fitting room.
Excuse me, can I try on this shirt?
Of course. The fitting rooms are on the right.
Thank you. I am not sure about the size.
What size do you have there?
Medium.
That may fit, but I can bring a large if you need it.
Great. I will try this one first.
Room 3 is free. You can use that room.
Thanks. I will be back in a minute.
Take your time.
The shirt looks nice, but the shoulders feel tight.
Then a large may be more comfortable.
Could you bring the same color in large?
Sure, we have blue and light gray.
Blue, please.
Here you are. This is the large blue shirt.
Thank you. I will try it on.
No problem.
This size is better. The sleeves are a little long, but it feels comfortable.
The sleeves can be folded. Many customers wear it that way.
Good idea. Does this shirt go well with black pants?
Yes, blue and black look simple and neat together.
How much is it?
It is $28, but today there is a 10% discount.
That sounds good. I will buy it.
Great choice. Would you like to look at a belt with it?
Not today, thank you. Just the shirt.
No problem. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
You can pay at the counter when you are ready.
I am ready now.
Please follow me to the checkout.
Thank you for helping with the size.
You are welcome.
Train station help desk.
Excuse me, I need help with my train ticket.
Sure. Where are you going today?
I am going to Riverside, but I am not sure which platform I need.
Let me see your ticket, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. Your train leaves from platform 5.
I was waiting at platform 2. That was wrong.
Yes, but you still have time.
What time does the train leave?
It leaves at 3:15.
What time is it now?
It is 3 o'clock, so you have 15 minutes.
Good. How do I get to platforms?
Go straight past the ticket machines and turn right after the bakery.
Is there an elevator? I have a suitcase.
Yes. The elevator is beside the stairs.
Thank you. Does this train stop at Central Station first?
Yes, but do not get off there. Riverside is the 3rd stop.
Third stop. I will remember that.
The ride takes about 40 minutes.
So I can sit anywhere?
Yes, in any free seat in second class.
Great. Do I need to show my ticket on the train?
Yes, the conductor may check it.
I will keep it in my pocket.
Good idea. Also, watch the screen on platform 6.
Why should I watch the screen?
Sometimes the platform changes, but that is not likely today.
Okay, I will check it again before boarding.
Perfect.
Thank you. You made this much clearer.
You are welcome. Have a safe trip.
Coffee shop table.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it is free. You can sit here.
Thank you. The coffee shop is very full today.
Yes, many people came in because of the rain.
I just needed a dry place for 10 minutes.
Same here. My umbrella broke outside.
Oh no, that is bad timing.
It is okay. At least the coffee shop is warm.
True, I ordered an Americano, but it is not ready yet.
I ordered tea and a small cookie.
The cookies look good.
They are. I come here sometimes after work.
Good to know. I like quiet tables for reading.
Then the back corner is better on most days.
Thanks for the tip.
You are welcome. What number is your order?
24.
I think they just called 23.
Then mine is next.
Probably.
There it is. They called 24.
You can go. I will watch the table.
Thank you. I will be quick.
No problem.
I am back. The coffee is very hot.
Be careful. The paper cup is thin.
Thanks. Do you know if they have free Wi-Fi?
Yes. The password is on the small sign near the counter. Password is subscribe123.
Great. I need to send one message.
The rain is getting lighter now.
Good. Maybe I can leave in a few minutes.
Same here. A short coffee break saved the day.
It really did. Thank you for sharing the table.
You are welcome.
Apartment viewing.
Hello, are you here for the apartment viewing?
Yes, I am Tom. I have an appointment at 5.
Nice to meet you. I am Emma, the leasing agent.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you for meeting me.
You are welcome. Please come in. This is the living room.
It is brighter than I expected.
The windows face south, so there is good sunlight.
That is great. I work from home 2 days a week.
Then this wall could be a good place for a desk.
I can imagine that. Is the street noisy?
It is usually quiet after 7 in the evening.
Good. Could I see the kitchen?
Of course, it is through this door.
It is small, but it looks clean.
It has a fridge, an oven, and space for a small table.
Is there a washing machine?
Yes, it is in the bathroom closet.
The bedroom looks big enough for my bed.
There is also a built-in closet.
Nice. What is the monthly rent?
It is $950.
Are any bills included?
Water is included. Electricity and heating are separate.
I understand. Is there a deposit?
Yes, 1 month's rent as a deposit
When can someone move in?
from the 1st of next month.
That works for me. Can I take a few photos?
Yes, photos are fine for personal use.
Thank you. I want to think about it tonight.
Of course, I can email you the application form.
Please do. The apartment is simple, but I like it.
I'm glad to hear that.
Small grocery store.
Hey there, let me know if you need help finding anything.
Thank you. I only need a few things today.
No problem. Baskets are by the door.
I think I can carry everything by hand.
Sure. What are you looking for first?
Bread. Do you have whole wheat bread?
Yes, it is on the top shelf near the milk fridge.
I see it. Is it fresh?
Yes, it arrived this morning.
Eggs, please. Are they near the counter?
Yes, in the small fridge beside the counter.
Do you have a box of 6?
Yes, the small boxes are on the left.
Perfect. I do not need 12.
6 is good for a few days.
I also want some apples.
The red apples are beside the bananas.
They look nice. How much are they?
$2 a pound.
I will take 3 apples.
Good choice. They are sweet.
Do you sell cold water?
Yes, cold drinks are in the fridge near the window.
I will get 1 bottle.
Take your time.
Okay, I am ready to pay.
Let me see. Bread, 6 eggs, 3 apples, and 1 bottle of water.
That is correct.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. 1 small bag is enough.
The total is $9.60.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you. This store is very convenient.
Thank you. We are open until 9 every evening.
Good to know. Have a nice day.
You too. See you next time.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.